Doggy Diner, an iconic establishment in San Francisco, captivated diners with its whimsical mascot and delicious hot dogs until its closure in 1986. Today, its legacy continues to resonate deeply within local culture. In the 1960s, hot Sam pretzels emerged as a staple in malls, yet ownership changes led to its decline, resulting in its disappearance by 2005. This marked a significant loss in the realm of mall snack culture. Lum's, renowned for its beer-steamed hot dogs, flourished from the 1950s until mismanagement led to its decline by the 1980s, leaving behind fond memories of family dining experiences. Steak and Ale, a cherished casual dining destination, closed its doors in 2008 due to bankruptcy, leaving patrons with treasured memories of its cozy atmosphere and signature steaks. The Magic Pan transformed the dining scene in the 1970s with its innovative crepes, yet struggled against the rising dominance of fast food, ultimately leading to its closure in the 1990s. Farrell's Ice Cream Parlor was celebrated for its vibrant ambience and oversized desserts, becoming a family favorite. Its eventual closure left a nostalgic gap in the family dining landscape. In the 1970s and 1980s, Beefsteak Charlie's thrived as a casual dining hotspot, known for its unlimited shrimp and salad options. However, rising costs and increased competition led to its eventual closure. Horn and Hard Art redefined dining through their innovative automats, providing quick and affordable meals. Yet, demographic shifts and mounting fast food competition resulted in their decline by 1991. Minnie Pearl's Chicken saw rapid growth in the late 1960s but ultimately faced a downturn due to mismanagement and overexpansion. Additionally, controversies surrounding its leadership further complicated its journey. China Coast's story illustrates how even well-conceived restaurants can falter due to uninspired menus and subpar service. Its closure in 1995 serves as a crucial lesson for the industry. Arthur Treacher's fish and chips gained popularity for its British fare, yet financial struggles stemming from rising fish prices in the 1970s led to significant closures by the 1980s. Henry's Hamburgers initially thrived as part of the fast food revolution but eventually faced challenges in a shifting market, illustrating the difficulties of maintaining success in a competitive industry. The popularity of seafood buffets stands out, featuring diverse offerings such as lobster and clam chowder, which attracted families for years and created lasting memories together. Morrison's Cafeteria exemplified the appeal of cafeteria-style dining, boasting over 150 locations at its peak. Its extensive menu and affordability made it a beloved choice for families and travelers alike. Rax's journey highlights the complexities of brand identity. Despite its initial success, diversifying its menu diluted its core appeal, leading to financial difficulties and eventual closures. Chasen's restaurant in West Hollywood became a glamorous hub for Hollywood's elite, known for hosting Academy Award after-parties. Its closure in 1995 marked the end of an iconic era. Mr. Steak expanded rapidly during the mid-20th century, appealing to families with affordable dining options. However, its decline in the 1980s exemplified the challenges that many chains faced as consumer preferences evolved. Wimpy's success overseas illustrates its adaptability to market demands, even amidst fierce competition from major fast food chains. Its enduring presence in South Africa emphasizes the enduring power of nostalgia.